Although Snapchat is convenient for its disappearing messages, having the sender know as soon as you've opened their message can be a pain. Luckily, there's a trick to avoid that. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to read a Snapchat message without sending a read receipt. Now let's get started. To read a Snapchat message without letting the sender know you've looked at it, you can take a quick peek without fully opening the message. To do this, place your finger on the person's avatar and slowly drag the chat window over to the right. Don't drag it all the way over, and continue holding your finger down so the chat doesn't fully open. This allows you to open the window just enough to read the chat without actually opening the message, so it will not be counted as read and your friend won't be able to tell that you've read it. When you're finished taking a peek, slowly slide the screen back over to close the conversation without it being marked as read. That's all it takes to read a Snapchat message without sending a read receipt. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.